We have hot, fresh-baked blueberry muffins coming your way. Medium-sized bowl. 1/3 cup of milk. 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter that's been melted and then cooled. 1 egg. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 3 tablespoons of white granulated sugar. Mix this on low just to mix it a little bit. That didn't take too long. My sifter has got 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons of Hain featherweight baking powder. Order from Amazon or Healthy Heart Market. Has no sodium. That much regular baking powder would have over 1,000 milligrams of sodium. We're going to use this. Sift it into the egg mixture. And stir it up. I like to use the frozen blueberries. They're a little larger than what I can get at my store. And they're handy to have. Whenever I want blueberry muffins, I just take them out. Because they're larger than what I can buy at my store, I chop them up a little bit. I have 3/4 of a cup. They're going in the batter. Mix it up. Looking good. I'm going to cook these in 2 batches. This little silicone form here holds 4 cupcake liners. I'm going to do this one, and then I'm going to do a batch using 2 cupcake liners in no form. We're going to see which one's going to work best. We don't want to fill the liners any more than 3/4 full, because they're going to rise a little bit. Set in my air fryer for 320 degrees. Please subscribe to my channel. Every Friday you'll have a new low sodium recipe and sometimes a tip to help you keep your sodium low throughout the day. Click on the little bell if you want to be notified when I put a new video out there. You'll get a little ding and you can say, oops, I wonder what Judy's up to today. My paper liners are 2.5 inches. The larger your liners, the longer it's going to take you to cook them. The 4 in the back, we're done with that little form. The 4 in the front, we're done strictly with the paper liners. So you do not have to go look for something to cook them in. 13 minutes at 320 degrees and these are done. Remove them from the air fryer with tongs, put them on a little wire rack. You can reheat them anytime at 320 for 1 or 2 minutes. My recipe will give you 8 muffins. This size is 13.75 milligrams for each muffin. I do believe I'm just going to have one of those.